Iyi ni Getter TV. Facebook ni Getter Rwanda, Instagram ni Getter Rwanda, YouTube channel yacu nayo ni Getter Rwanda. Murakoze.
When we go ahead, we shall see mainframe computers. You see these big ones you are seeing, these are all computers. You see how big they are? Those are computers we are talking about. We find a computer almost the size of that shelf where you put back many exams. Can be like that. Many people using only that computer, not only one person like you see here. There might be very many people using it. Typically support 100 to 500 users. So you can imagine. It supports 1,000 to 500 users. Meaning that if we have this type of computers, it means here in East Africa, we can have all students having their accounts on these machines. And it means that every student will have an account, will have his own computer. That's what I mean. You have your own computer. It is also very expensive. You can't buy, this one, the videos cannot afford them. Only companies can buy them. Those big companies like the prints, where they print magazines, New Vision, what big companies which can use such computers. We go to use for very large processing tasks, like businesses. If you have big business like people who print exams for almost the whole of Rwanda, the whole schools in Rwanda, then they can have such computers to solve their problems in the business. Then the next one is mini computers. Mini, the first one was mainframe computers. Now this one is mini computers. What do mini do? Mini computers, they a bit look bigger the way you see. Most especially when you go to blood banks, when you go to where they distribute blood from. These people have such machines. If you happen to have entered where they donate blood from, like Red Cross, where you go near the hospitals, they have where they donate blood from. We have such machines. Some serious hospitals also have such machines for doing big work. Mid-range computer, smaller, less expensive than mainframe, used for smaller organizations. So managing networks like servers, like here in South Africa, we could be having a server like this computer. We will help to manage all computers, distribute internet. That's what we are meaning here. That these ones, they help to manage other small computers for the network. The real difference is relative in terms of price, power, marketing. The difference of this mainframe and mini-frame, the difference is the power consumption. white thing behind. You see this white thing behind? They are called terminals. These ones behind are thin client terminals. We also wanted to do the same as what they were saying. This, okay, we need it. All those students who studied behind didn't have this computer. They were using this. What happened was, we have this machine in the server room, and we installed the software for this. After installing the software, they are called thin client, this one. After installing the software, you create accounts. Every person is a user of this machine. For example, I took the machine to that office, to that side. That's when, and when you open, you will find very many accounts. Actually, it was there, but you will find very many accounts, like almost 20 accounts in one machine. Meaning that those are 20 users who can use this computer. Now, those 20 users have username